In this one, as the title suggested, we are talking about transitions. I know I mentioned transition in a previous upload where I was saying when you're cutting from one shot to the next, you want to be moving in the same direction. So if you're going like this, when you cut, the shot that you move into should also be going to that direction. That's fundamentally true, but in this aspect of transition, it spices it up, it spices it up, spices it up, spices it up a little more. So I'll get some B-roll intro and come back and talk about this whole transition spice. When I move from one scene to the next, people probably say, why am just do a while ago? Yeah, so hope you hold on, me in a frame good. So yeah, hope you enjoy that like a piece of B-roll. So first aspect of this kind of transition, you basically just flash the camera. So cameras have a thing what them call motion blur and shutter rolling. So you use that to your advantage. So I don't know, you can do it on your phone camera. Just turn on your phone camera and just shake the camera a little bit. You see that wobbly movement there? It's called shutter rolling. So you're going to use that to your advantage. So when you swing the camera like this, that is going to be recorded. The shutter rolling and the motion blur is going to be recorded. And you're going to use that at your advantage to move into the next shot. So you do the camera like this, whoops. And then when you cut into the next shot, you should also come in like this. So the fundamental truth of you moving in the same direction, see where that comes in? So yes, also when you're flashing your camera from one scene to the next, you want to make sure that whatever is included in the shutter roll or the motion blur, you want to try and get it in the same color so the cut is seamless, so you don't recognize the cut. So I don't know what I could use here. I find I get one and show now. Definitely I go show now. Just like that, you want to make sure that the colors are the same. Not all the time, because sometimes it is still seamless, but as best as possible, you want to make sure that you're working with the same colors. So that's that for the flashing the phone across the screen. Let's go into Premiere Pro. So you open up Premiere Pro, you're greeted. If for your first time I use Premiere Pro, this is the screen that you'll have, right? So you want to start a new project, we're going to click Start New Project. Open that window. How Premiere Pro is structured here is not how it might be structured on your system, because this thing you can personalize it however you want. But we're not going to go into all of that. Let's just get on the timeline here, and if you use another editing software, I'm certain it has a similar kind of structure where you have a video timeline, because we're basically just doing cuts here. So this kind of transition is inbuilt or built-in in-camera transition, they would call it. So you have your two clips. The one where you're depending on the shutter rolling from over here, so right? So you move from right to left. So the next one you're moving from right to left. All right to left, same way? Yes. So when that motion blur and that shutter rolling happens, that is where you're going to join your two clip, as you're seeing right here. So yeah. See how easy whoosh transition. And oh, you can put some sound effects in there as well to make it more immersive. So when you go whoosh cross, it just seems more immersive. So yeah.